So maybe you want something small, but again, you also don't want to feel like traffic is just going to completely crush you. So maybe you want one of these. So everyone knows there's SUVs, and now there's crossovers, and now there are compact crossovers, and that's exactly what the CHR is. It's the size of a compact car, but raised up to be more like a crossover. It's kind of like that little in-between, that middle ground that you never knew you were missing. Now you might be thinking, well, where's the rear door handle? It's right up here, cleverly disguised. And look at the back seat space here. This is a very small car on the outside, but as you can see, I'm gonna hop right in. Plenty of knee space. You know, think something smaller like a Corolla, but just raised up a little bit, so you get the better sight lines. You're higher up than you would normally be in a smaller car, but still the car around the city, it's narrow, it's not long, and there's still plenty of cargo space in here because of the design as a crossover. Because a lot of people say, well, I like being up higher when I drive because I like to look around. This solves that dilemma. I really like how the taillights in these really kind of just pop out to become part of the car. So let's open up the rear hatch here. There's a little button for it, and there it is. There's a little privacy cover here. You can remove that, and if you were to remove that, you can see just how tall of objects you could put back here. Larger boxes, no problem in the back of one of these. That's something you might not be able to fit in the back of a sedan. And there is your rear view camera, of course. The overall design of the car fits the outside. Again, modern. This is a Toyota for the new age, for the millennium. Toyota Entune, right there, it is a touchscreen, so just click on your radio stations. Of course, it has Bluetooth as well. This is a CVT transmission, continuously variable transmission. That means because it's a CVT, as you drive it, you really won't feel it change gear, and that's because it's not. It's always changing the gear ratios. Every time you put this car in park, you'll see this is the parking brake. If I go in the park, see how it lit up? It comes on automatically for you just in case. And when you go back in the drive, it turns off. The electronic parking brake. Let's have a look through Toyota Safety Sense here. This top one here, this is a lane assist, and you can see what's that say? Steering assist. This car will try to keep you from drifting out of your lane if you were to, fall asleep. Hopefully you don't. And this is also a front collision warning system as well. Toyota Safety Sense, that is standard on every single Toyota. They are the only car maker that offers standard safety features such as that, and even for such a low price point. This little switch down here is also for automatic high beams. Another standard feature. This is really nicely padded up here on the dash as well, very soft. Overall, the whole design of the interior, it's very cohesive. There's nothing that just really looks out of place. Even the screen, I like how it gradually comes out. It's not just stuck there like on some other cars. This trim piece becomes the screen. It's not just there out of nowhere. So that is the Toyota CHR. As far as price goes, these start at just over $22,000, with the one behind us today being about $24,000. It averages 29 miles per gallon overall, with over 30 being easily achievable on the freeway. And it comes with a 5-star overall safety crash rating. So thank you again for joining me today at Thompson's with the CHR.